contact fields in Mailmint lets you add unique fields that fit perfectly for your business. You can add different fields for collecting users' contact information that is not a default field already created in Mailmint. That specific contact information might be really important for your business. So that's why Mailmint lets you create custom contact fields from the settings very easily. This is Nabila from Mailmint, and today I'll show you how you can create one very easily. So let's get started.
So to create a custom contact field in Mailmint, you need to have Mailmint Free and Pro installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard. I have already done that, and now I am going to show you how you can create a custom field very easily. So first I'll go to the settings tab. Once I go there, you can see that there's an option called contact fields. So if I click on it, you'll see there are two tabs here. The first one is the general tab and the second one is the custom tab. So basically in the general tab, all the Mailmint's existing fields are listed here. All right. So what you can do is you can pick any of these and change some of the information of this existing fields. So let's say I want to change the last name field. So what I can do is I can click on edit, and then I can change the label here. So let's say I want to give it a label which is nickname, and I also want to change the placeholder text. Let's say, so once you're done, you cannot change anything else here. So the slug here, it is by default setup, and you cannot change the slug. So after you're done editing everything, what you can do is just simply click on update, and you'll see that the last name field has been updated to nickname. So now let's go to the custom tab and create a custom field. So go to the custom tab, and you can see there's an option called add field. I already have created a custom field here, which is a website name previously. So let's create another one. So if I click on add field, you'll see there's an option to add a field name. So let's say I want to take the website URL of my customers as well. So what I can do is I can simply give the field name as website URL, and then I'll have to select a field type. So I'm going to select the field type as single line text, and then I'm going to go ahead and give the same options that I edited for my existing field. So basically I'll give it a label which is website URL, and let's say I want to add a placeholder text which is so once you're done, you simply have to click on add. So once you do that, you can see that the website URL custom field has been created successfully. Now let's go to a contact, and let's see if I can change or add any website URL to a specific contact. So if I click on this, you can see that I have two custom fields here. One is a website name and one is website URL. So let's say I want to edit this website URL. So if I click on save, you can see that the website URL for this specific contact has been updated.
So this is how you can easily create custom contact fields in Mailmint to collect important information from your leads. That's it for today. I'll see you in my next video.